back to another video. You're watching Phones.ua with me, Gashman. Today we are going to talk about none other than LG V10. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे LG V10 की. We are going to talk about the 2015 variant LG V10 out there. We can say V series was a quite amazing one and had a different kind of a look. We can say मतलब थोड़ा सा अलग look कहा जा सकता है इनका. They had really a different kind of a look out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out there, we can say that this variant had got some amazing features and or different structurality or for itself. We can say that is definitely because if we see or compare LG's entire series from the first model till today's model, we will see कि B series have got something amazing out here. मतलब B series में कुछ ना कुछ अलग रहा है. Talking about this feature out here, let us talk about the structurality first. Glass front है, yes, Gorilla Glass 4 है. You will get to see Gorilla protection out here with Gorilla Glass 4 and plastic back. But the most amazing thing about this variant is that few parts of the globe have stainless steel body, whereas most of the parts have plastic frame body. Like प्लास्टिक बॉडी है या फिर स्टेनलेस स्टील है, मतलब कुछ कुछ पार्ट्स में स्टेनलेस स्टील की भी बॉडी देखने को मिलेगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेट फीचर आउट है. Having a dual SIM or a single SIM slottation variation can be seen out there. You will get to see that it has two different kind of a variation. Single SIM and the dual SIM technology both can be seen in this. You'll also get to see that the screen size is okay variant out here for 5.7 inch. 5.7 inch की screen size है, काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी कही जा सकती है because IPS Cafe touch screening works well with 16:9 colorization. Along with that, you will get to see that this is not very good upgraded Android OS, but okay OS used in it because Android 5 is there with the baseline and it is upgraded up to Android 7. मतलब कह सकते हैं ठीक है यार Android 5 यूज कर रहे हैं बस 2015 में और क्या ही मिलता. और 2015 का मॉडल है, so it can be considered as an okay variant having Android 5, but it could be upgraded up to a better Android or a baseline could be a better one, then it would have been a much better variant out there. But talking about this variant, talking about this version, it goes well with hexa-core processing system, hexa-core CPU along with Snapdragon 808 processor. So this is a wonderful feature out there that these are working quite well with our OS system. Expandability is definitely required in few variants. Expandability is required because 32 GB is not sufficient for us. We really need a good variant out here. For 32 GB, we can say it's not a sufficient version out here. Whereas 64 GB might not require a good variation or might not require so much expandability. We can see मतलब इतनी expandability की जरूरत नहीं होती है 64 GB में. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant definitely have a good RAM quality. मतलब 64 में और 32 GB में आपको दोनों में ही 4 GB RAM देखने को मिलता है. That's a wonderful feature out here. This could be said that way. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is good for the camera also. मतलब we can say 5 megapixel का selfie camera is not a bad variant. Back then we have seen a very bad quality cameras also, but having a 5 megapixel good camera quality is a good feature out here. Whereas you will get to see that there is a dual selfie camera. Yes, this is the most advanced feature in the 2015 variants. Because single selfie cameras ने हर बार देखा है हमने, rear cameras double देखे हैं. We have seen rear cameras having double out there back then 2015-16 models. But we will see that it has got 5 megapixel selfie camera. Both are 5 megapixel. मतलब total आपको अगर front में capturing capacity की हम बात करें तो 10 megapixel का total selfie camera यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है. सिंगल सेल्फी कैमरा अगर हम बात करें, इसका मेन कैमरा जो है जो सिंगल रेयर कैमरा है, दैट इज ऑफ 16 मेगापिक्सल having with LED and 4K video quality. So that's a really wonderful feature out here. You will get to see all the audio quality, stereo type speakers, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything out here, and the look out there is definitely a different kind of a look. मतलब look ही काफी ज्यादा अलग बना दिया गया है इसका. Everything has changed in this variant. Having a battery life of 3000 mAh could be considered an okay variant, not a very bad or a very good variant, because 3000 mAh battery is okay. But what made this variant a good variant is the charging capacity, because 40 minutes में 50% चार्ज हो रहा है and with a quick charging of 2, whereas it gives you about 18 hours talk time in 3G phone. Yes, 3G की में आपको देखने को मिल रहा है 18 hours का talk time, so that's a wonderful feature out there. So मतलब इतने अच्छे features इसमें कहे जा सकते हैं कि they have really improved it in back then 2015 models out there. We can also say that this model has got a great pricing, but there are few sites which offer you a good pricing for this model, or we can say a better pricing. For that, all you have to do is visit the link in the description or type on googlephoneZone.ae. जी हाँ, आपको बस गूगल पे टाइप करना है ये, दिस इज phonezone.ae, या तो आप गूगल पे जाकर कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक पर जा सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू गेट टू सी दैट दिस इज द कैटेगरी आउट है. यहाँ पर आपको ऑल मोबाइल फोन्स देखने को मिलती है कैटेगरी. 6 months वारंटी है यहाँ पर, 7 एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी है, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है, एवरीथिंग इज आउट है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दिस ऑल मोबाइल फोन्स कैटेगरी ऑफर्स यू n number of brands. You get to see n number of brands out here. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a search icon जहाँ पर आप अपने फेवरेट मॉडल्स को सर्च कर सकते हैं. So we are going to type about our model LG V10 and see whether our model is available, not available, and हमारा प्राइसिंग कैसा है, सब कुछ हम यहाँ पता कर. So research ये हमने आइकन में डाला है तो ऐसा कुछ आया. So we are going to click on this and check out the result, and फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि इसमें क्या क्या है. So the research and the result is already out. So let us check out this first. इसमें अगर देखें तो एक description box है. You get to see a description box out here which has all the specifications. Everything is out there. Apart from this, you get to see that there is a condition written over here, that is refurbished condition. मतलब यहाँ पर एक refurbished condition लिखी है. This is the condition of the phone out here. So let us talk about the refurbished condition here itself, and then we move on for the pricing and the website. Refurbished की बात करें या बात करें refurbished word and brand new products की, they both are quite similar products. We can say that refurbished products and the brand new products, they are actually very same in the functionality, structurality, and the integrity of these phones. We can also say that these phones might only differ in the usage capacity or the pricing range. Why we say so? Because the word itself, refurbished itself means creating new again. Re means this again, something new, like पहले जैसा बनाना. Furbished means from the older parts. Yes, furbished means from the old part or something like that. When we combine these two different words out there, then it becomes like creating something newly like from the old one, or creating new like product again. So we can say that refurbished is new like, or we can say like brand new something. मतलब एकदम पहले जैसे, एकदम brand new जैसा, एकदम ऐसे कह सकते हैं. Is something creating newly like again. So we can consider in that way. Talking about the refurbished product and brand new product, both of these products are quite same in the structurality, as I already told you. Structurality in the sense like the model which we use, which are classified as brand new, and if the same product is classified in the refurbished category, then they are absolutely same, because the display remains the same, the screen size remains the same, the outer structure remains the same. मतलब सब कुछ same ही रहता है, कुछ बदलता नहीं है. फंक्शनैलिटी में सेम क्यों बोल रहे हैं हम? फंक्शनैलिटी में सेम इसलिए बोल रहे हैं बिकॉज द प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम यूज्ड इन इट और एनीथिंग यूज्ड इन इट इज एब्सोल्युटली द सेम. मतलब इसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं किए जाते, बस इसमें ये होता है कि these are again tested once they have been used by the user. They are again tested and made something new, like made brand new, like so that this can be used again by another user. Yes, this clearly means that मतलब एक बार यूज हो चुका है यूजर से, अब हम दूसरे यूजर को अगर ये यूज करना है, who are not able to have that in the profitable rates, for whom this might be a brand new product, might be of a little bit expensive. So for them we do this refurbished products. मतलब उनके लिए refurbished product किए जाते हैं so that उनके लिए profitable rates में आए. This is what refurbished products happens to be. Talking about this product, talking about refurbished, or talking about the classifications or testimoniality, verifications, everything out there. Let me tell you the requirement or the parameters which are involved in brand new as well as in refurbished. ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें तो ब्रांड न्यू में भी आपके लिए डिस्प्ले होता है, आपके लिए टच स्क्रीन होती है, आपके लिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है, सीपीयू होता है, उसका कनेक्टिविटीज होती हैं, उसकी कैमरा, ऑडियो, वीडियो क्वालिटी, द कनेक्ट हॉटस्पॉट कनेक्टिविटी, ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटीज आउट देयर, the sensorimeters out there, even the data wiping and in the integral parts जो इसके अंदर के processing systems होते हैं वो सारे आ गए, इसकी water resistance capacity, everything out there is checked. Whereas if we talk about refurbished product तो उसमें भी सेम चीजें ही देखी जाती है, मतलब उसमें देखा जाता है आपका डिस्प्ले कैसे, स्क्रैचेस है नहीं है, अगर नहीं है तो ओके, अगर है तो उसको फिर रिपेयर किया जाता है, बटन्स वगैरह कैसे हैं डिस्प्ले पे, द टच स्क्रीन वर्किंग ऑन डिस्प्ले और ऑन द बैक साइड इज वर्किंग और नॉट, the connectivities are how whether they're working or not, battery life कैसी है, your data wiping out, their colorization, integral part, OS system कैसा वर्क कर रहा है और प्रोसेसर कैसा है, ऑडियो वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी है, सिम रिकग्नाइजेशन है या नहीं है, बटन इंटैक्ट है या नहीं है, with all the specifications, all the features which we check in brand new are checked out here itself. Once they are checked, once they are classified, once they are verified, then this is given as a certificate that yes, they have been refurbished, they have been certified as refurbished. Now you can use them. When we use them, we can say that these products definitely owe a very good quality because ये एक बार यूज होने के बाद उनको दोबारा से चेक किया जाता है, तो वी कैन से कि उन्हें और भी अच्छे से चेक किया जाता है, मतलब बारीकियों से चेक किया जाता है, so that you don't get any complaint regarding the product out there. So this is what refurbished products are all about, उनके टेस्ट्स कैसे होते हैं. Now let us move ahead and see कि benefits क्या है refurbished products के over the brand new products. अगर ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें और बात करें रिफर्बिश की, तो इनमें ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट बहुत माइनर माइनर है, जस्ट लाइक दैट यू कैन सेव अप टू 15%. ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, दे आर स्लाइटली एक्सपेंसिव आउट है, सो यू कैन सेव अप टू 15% बाय हैविंग अ रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स कॉस्ट यू स्लाइटली लेस एज कंपेयर टू ब्रांड न्यू, मतलब ब्रांड न्यू से थोड़ा सा कम वो आपको कॉस्ट करते हैं. So you definitely can have this point with you कि आपको savings मिल जाती है up to 15%. Whereas you also get a pocketable rates for your product, मतलब आपके desirable products जो है, whichever product you want to buy, whichever product is your desirable one, favorite one out here, they are in your pocketable rates. Whereas when we talk about the brand new, they are slightly expensive out here, so you don't get every time your favorite models. But yes, refurbished में अगर एक बार हम refurbished category में आते हैं, तो we find our favorite models also in a very reasonable rates. Apart from that, usually we don't get warranty period when a product has been once used out, तो उसकी warranty period जो है usually खत्म हो जाती है. But here you get to see 6 months warranty, मतलब यहाँ पर आपको 6 months की warranty period भी देखी जा रही है, as well as you get a 7-day exchange and return policy. A 7-day exchange policy is also there. You can definitely check this out कि ये major points जो है refurbish में यहाँ cover up किए जा रहे हैं. These are wonderful products out there. You can definitely check out the website जहाँ की अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, पूरा आपको वहाँ पर website पे देखने को मिल जाएगा. Talking about the website, let me take you back to the website so that you don't miss out anything. And अगर आप वेबसाइट को सर्च करना चाहते हैं, गूगल में भी कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक पर भी जा सकते हैं. This is the site I was talking about. Yes, this is the site I was talking about. Site name is phoneZone.ae, जहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगा ये फेवरेट गैजेट बहुत ही अच्छे रेट पर, जहाँ आपको देखने को मिलते हैं 6 months वारंटी, 7-day एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, फ्री होम डिलीवरी आउट है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. मतलब आपको यहाँ पे सब कुछ देखने को मिल जाता है. Apart from that, you get to see a category of all mobile phones. यहाँ पे एक सर्च आइकन है, एवरीथिंग इज आउट है. सर्च आइकन में आप स्पेसिफाइड वे में अपना मॉडल सर्च कर सकते हैं. और मोबाइल फोन्स में आपको n नंबर ऑफ ब्रांड्स देखने को मिलते हैं, where you get to see your favorite brands out there, so you can definitely check out this. This is all about today. आप यहाँ पर आके अपने फेवरेट ब्रांड चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, किसी भी बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के लिए आप यहाँ चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, या फिर कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें लिख के बता सकते हैं कि आपको कौन से मॉडल के बारे में क्या जानना है, बिकॉज iExecutive हेल्पलाइन इज अवेलेबल फॉर यू ऑल 24/7. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.